In class, we have gone over volcanoes and how they form, as well as the negative impacts they can have. Today I will be talking about how volcanoes benefit the ecosystem around them in the long term. Beyond volcanoes serving as a source of new landmass, they also contain in their lava lots of nutrients important for life. Elements like magnesium and potassium can be found in volcanic deposits and act as a natural fertilizer to plant growth. Volcanic ash also contains elements such as sodium, nitrogen, iron, silicon, calcium, sulfur, and aluminum. Beyond its nutritive benefits, volcanic ash can also alter soil to better retain water. Volcanic ash clouds have also been linked to cooling the climate in certain regions by blocking out solar radiation. Volcanic eruptions can also be beneficial in the destruction of invasive species populations, allowing native species to retake control of the landscape. Some species even have seeds that need to be heated to germinate, which happens when lava flows over the soil where they're buried. Looking at a study from the Mount St. Helens eruption, the study concluded that groups of species possess common adaptations that influence survival, and that the initial prognosis of Mount St. Helens impact areas underestimated the regenerative power of vegetation and overestimated the success of aerial seeding with non-native grasses. This study just goes to show how native species are much better adapted to regenerating their populations after a volcanic eruption when compared to non-native species. Volcanic gases also serve to add water to the earth because the vapor they emit during an eruption is 70 to 95% water vapor. Other gases they emit include carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which are essential to natural life. Although carbon dioxide has a hand in global warming, it also provides carbon to plants to develop the building blocks of life, as well as allowing heat to be trapped in the atmosphere, making the Earth hospitable. Overall, although volcanic eruptions can be largely destructive and are mostly seen as negative, there are positives that come out of these disastrous events. Succession in plant life seen after eruption is something that is tied to adaptation and has a role in benefiting ecosystems in the long run.